Yeah, well, Kitome was the best plan that we could come up with to suit our block. You know, as far as double glazed windows and insulation, and just a very efficient house, and that's the reason we went with Kitome to start with. The cost of it to get a builder to do it would have been prohibitive.
I found that all their things that we used were high quality and everything just came together. Like, it was easy to follow their plan. They had clear instructions of how to put things together. So
we got locals to contract to quote for the kitchen, and you know, we're talking a $25,000–$30,000 kitchen without the appliances. We ended up buying a flat pack out of Kitome for $8,500, and I thought, well, this has got to be garbage. How can they possibly be $8,500 compared to $25,000? So they said, no, we assure you it's all top quality hinges. You know, they're soft shutting cupboard doors, the runners on the drawers were all Swedish, all good quality stuff. And Christine and I and my son-in-law screwed it together in 2 days, and we had an $8,500 kitchen that's magic. Distances have become a lot smaller because of the internet, and as far as ordering and picking which tiles, and we had one trip to Sydney to pick out our tiles and our bathroom fixtures, and everything else was on the internet, so it was very easy. It's just a matter of signing off on what you need, and within a week everything had arrived. No problems at all.